Lucy and Alex Taylor need somewhere new to live. Lucy works for a large computer company, and Alex is a geography teacher. Their jobs are very busy, and so are their lives. What kind of home is best for them? Today, they're visiting two places to rent: a flat in the city and a house in the country. First, it's the city flat on Crown Street. Alex and Lucy walk to the flat and look at the shops and restaurants nearby. They meet their estate agent, Rebecca, at the flat.
Just want to come into the lounge. Yeah. So there's an open living area, and there's also the kitchen and everything here.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
Are there 2 bathrooms?
Yes, there are. Have a look around. See what you think.
Okay. Oh, is there a dishwasher?
Yes, dishwasher's down
Yeah.
here.
Brilliant.
And you've got washing machine in here.
Wow.
And it's fully fitted with all appliances and
And this is the fridge and...
Yes.
Oh. Wow. I really like it.
Yeah, not 100% sold on the old...
There's a large living room with big windows in the flat, but there's a busy road outside.
Are you happy? Yeah, what do you think?
I mean, it's busy, but there's a bus stop just sort of over the road.
We're going to check it out.
There's a large sofa, an armchair, a table, and a television in the living room.
I'll put my bag down anyway.
There's also a dining table, and there are 4 chairs.
Let's have a look at the old bedrooms.
There's a bath and a shower in the main bathroom.
Okay, let's come through into the bedroom.
Wow.
The bedrooms in the flat are very nice.
Really big, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Bedroom.
There's loads of storage in here as well.
Okay.
And the set of drawers here as well.
Storage.
Yeah, really good. It's a nice one. Look at that house.
Next to the main bedroom, there's an ensuite shower room. It's not very big, and there isn't a bath.
It's lovely.
Not bad.
Yeah.
So, what do they think of the flat?
So, do you like it?
It's nice, but it isn't very big. There isn't any carpet.
It doesn't matter. The living room is great. It's really modern and new, and there are great showers in the bathrooms.
Yes, and the bedrooms are very nice. But the kitchen isn't very good. I know you like to eat out, but I prefer cooking at home.
I think the best thing is the excellent location. It's near shops and restaurants, and there's a bus stop opposite. It takes 10 minutes to get to my office by bus, and it's only a 15-minute walk to your school.
Yes, but the rent is very expensive. It's £275 a week. And that road outside is really busy.
Okay, well, let's have a look at the house in the country. It's only a 25-minute drive from here. Come on.
Alex and Lucy arrive at the house in the country.
Is this a very old house?
Yes, it's about 150 years old.
Are there any shops near here?
There are some shops down that road, but they're about a 30-minute walk away.
Is there a bus stop on this road?
No, there isn't. There aren't any buses on this road. You need a car.
They look at the garden first.
Wow, look at this lovely garden.
Come and have a look around the house. So this is the kitchen through here.
There's a very nice kitchen in the house.
So cute.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It isn't very big, but there are 2 cookers.
Okay, so this is the dining room.
The more you look at them, you're like, that's
Imagine sitting on that sofa every day.
Yeah, lovely.
The dining room is very small.
Very nice.
Okay, so if you want to come through to the lounge, just watch your head on the beams because they're quite low.
There's a sofa and an armchair in the small living room.
It's really nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's a real fireplace.
There are some bookshelves too.
These candles will go.
Go around to your left into the bathroom.
Upstairs there's a large bathroom with a nice view of the garden.
Oh, that's lovely.
Sound
To go through to the other bedrooms.
Yeah.
nice. This is nice.
So this is the guest room.
The bedrooms are very small, but nice.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's nice.
So this is the master bedroom.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, nice. That's nice.
So, what do they think of the house?
I love it. There are 2 bedrooms, a living room, a dining room, and a modern bathroom. And there are beautiful views.
Yes, but the rooms are very small. It's a long way from work and there aren't any restaurants near here.
It's so quiet and relaxing here. That flat is really noisy.
I know. It's a lovely house. The countryside is beautiful. And it is just £225 a week. But
You like living in the city?
I do. It's easier.
Okay. Well, let's have a look at some more places then.